Stop. Yes, you. Stop right there and put that pressure washer down. I have a love-hate relationship with pressure washing. For exterior surfaces like patios, driveways, sidewalks, even the siding on your house, I think pressure washing is a phenomenal idea. But hear me, and hear me now. Under no circumstance are you or any company you hire supposed to pressure wash your windows. Do not do it. And I know the company you hire is going to say, oh, it's fine, we do a soft wash, it's gonna make your windows look great. No, wrong. No pressure washing of your windows. And here's why. When you pressure wash windows, even using a soft wash, oftentimes it breaks the seals of your windows. Now, where that gets a little slippery is it's not breaking your windows, but it does cause the seal to break, which causes your windows to fog. Your windows probably won't leak. There won't be any major malfunctions or issues, but I can tell you, buyers are probably gonna have issue with it. And once you ruin the window seals, really the only way to fix it is to get a new window, and that can be a very costly mistake. In fact, I just sold a house to a buyer where almost every single window in the entire house had broken seals from pressure washing. We're talking $30,000 worth of issues. Now, the fogging again is more of a cosmetic issue, but a buyer could very well argue that that's not a proper working window. And here's the trickiest part. Usually the fogging doesn't show up for a while. So when you hire a company or decide to do a soft wash yourself, you're gonna think, windows look awesome, I don't see any fogging. Here's the rub. It can take 30 or more days for that fogging to show up. And by then, guess who's long gone? The company you hired. But guess who's probably really ticked? The buyer, who's either in their inspection period or at some point during the transaction wondering why all of a sudden all the windows have this condensation in between the panes. So please heed my advice. Pressure wash the heck out of your driveway and your sidewalk and your patio, maybe even your siding, but stay clear of your windows. Hire somebody to come in and do it by hand, because you want clean windows when you're selling your house, but you do not want fogging. And once you cross that path, there's no coming back. Here's a cautionary tale for you. I was literally in the middle of a transaction where every single window was fogged, and I was dealing with inspections and figuring out how to make this right between the buyer and seller. And I came home and my amazing husband had pressure washed the entire back porch and the screens, and it looked so good. And I looked out and he was pressure washing the back window. And I flew out of our back door screaming. I'm pretty sure he thought either the house was on fire or I was about to murder him, because all I was saying was, stop! Do not pressure wash windows. Not a good idea. Wash them by hand, and hopefully I won't come running at you screaming. Hopefully today I have been crystal clear. And if not, well, enjoy those foggy windows. Now that you know what not to do with your pressure washer, if you're getting ready to sell your home, check out my video on the top 4 ways that you can improve your curb appeal. I'm Lindsey Johnson, your resource for all things real estate. See you next time.